Being stuck in traffic is one of life's great nuisances. But imagine if traffic jams directly impacted your bottom line. That's the case in distribution and fulfillment centers, where customer packages on worn-out or poorly functioning accumulation conveyors can quickly pile up. Unfortunately, there's often nothing stopping these cartons from slamming into each other, causing productivity bottlenecks, product damage, conveyor contamination, costly customer service errors, and loss of production for cleanup processes. ZoneFlex Advanced accumulation conveyor technology from Honeywell Intelligrated is designed to greatly reduce these problems. Available as an upgrade to existing accumulation conveyors or a replacement to outdated systems, ZoneFlex Advanced provides gentle product control for true zero-pressure accumulation. This dynamic technology enables speed control and product visibility within individual zones that slow down cartons prior to accumulation. By doing so, ZoneFlex Advanced eliminates a variety of persistent production headaches. Using a proprietary technology called Neighborhood Mode, ZoneFlex Advanced ensures singulated product flow, preventing side-by-sides that lead to scanner misreads, product jams, inventory shrinkage, and critical sorting errors. This minimizes cartons from entering and congesting the recirculation loop and potentially shutting down the line sorter. It also prevents lost revenue from costly shipping and inventory errors by limiting the possibility of sending cartons to the wrong destinations. Perhaps the most obvious benefit of ZoneFlex Advanced is the consistent, orderly product flow, freeing your teams from the tasks of clearing jams and cleaning up overflows. At the end of the day, ZoneFlex Advanced can provide up to a 45% increase in throughput without adding to your overall conveyor footprint, and with industry-leading speeds that enable future production increases. So, if you're tired of fighting the daily battles caused by your existing accumulation conveyors, upgrade to ZoneFlex Advanced for increased throughput, less downtime, and reduced labor requirements.